Good morning. Day 3. I managed to push through yesterday to Tafira, the port town where I'll be catching the ferry over to Tangiers. Unfortunately, I got there this morning and the port is actually closed today because there is super high winds and the Gibraltar Strait is just unnavigable at the moment. So they've closed the port and the ferry starts again tomorrow. So as you can see, this is where I am right now. I'm staying at a friend's who I stayed with at the start of this journey many months ago, and I'm staying here for the day. I'm going to chill, relax, do a bit of editing, and then tomorrow the port is supposedly open, so hopefully we'll be able to get across to Tangiers tomorrow. So any more news, I'll keep you updated. Other than that, speak to you later. Well, I've decided to reload her yet again for the third time, just to make sure nothing is too loose and even everything out just a little bit. She's totally filthy, but she will get a full valet once I get to Casablanca. She's been riding absolutely brilliant. Now, I don't do reviews of bikes because basically I've never ridden one before in a long time, but as a good bike, she's brilliant. The only thing I will say is, you probably already know this, she's a little bit top heavy and you do have to watch your balancing, because if she wants to go over, she will go over, so you can't not let her have the chance to. But other than that, I am super happy with her. Can't wait to get to Casablanca. Then yeah, like I said, she will get a very good full valet. Speak to you later. Good morning. Okay, so it's about 8:30 in the morning now, and I'm going to try and get down to the port again today and see if she is open for the ferry across to Tangiers. Unfortunately, it wasn't yesterday due to the winds. Hopefully it'll be open today. Get a ferry over Tangiers, and then first stop is Asila, and go to the hostel there, and I might stay overnight there and then have a mad blast down to Casablanca, which is approximately 150 miles. So fingers crossed, nearly there. Seems to be taking forever at the minute with these slight delays here and there, but we're getting there. So I'll speak to you later. And this is my view this morning. A few clouds on the horizon. You got the valley and the mountains behind. Absolutely stunning. And apparently there's a bit of a drought here as well at the moment, unfortunately. And the old turbines on the top of the hill are certainly giving it some today, that's for sure. Well, we're at the port. I have my ticket and the ferry leaves at 1, so I've got to be back here for 12:15 for loading. All's good. We are okay. Yeah. Well, I'm on the Tangier ferry again. Third time this year of this one. Finally got there, no problem going through customs and everything as per normal. I will have to do another check when I get off the boat in about approximately an hour's time, which is the cross time. So yeah, everything's going well, then we'll sort everything out and where we go. Asila first. Speak to you later. Shukran, thank you. Sorry, thank you. Shukran. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You forgot to say the remedy. Now, how am I supposed to be the same way? Now, how am I supposed to be the same way? Strange how this chemistry just dissolves away. All my boundaries, my point of view. I forgot to be the thing I call myself.
And this was my final run into Asila. This was the hostel where I would be staying for the night. Ended up being 2 nights. And as you can see, as you're coming down here to the hostel, the sun and the sea is absolutely glorious. The beach is absolutely brilliant, and I must admit it is one of my favourite beaches in all of Morocco. I hope you enjoyed this latest video. There's one more to come, and as always, I'll speak to you later.